Good morning, good morning. Look at my little friend up there. Hope you guys had a nice Labor Day. Oh, it's over there on the center leaf. Oh man, he gonna leave. Okay, anyway. So that was the end of my August planting challenge. I made it through. However, we are going to continue on because I have about 20 more seeds and the whole month of September to get through planting. We can still plant in the month of September. Don't give up, guys. We still got some ways to go. And I'm in zone 8. So my first frost day is estimated to be October 23rd. Average on the almanac, the average date is I think like November 4th. So I have approximately 10 weeks before my 8 to 10 weeks before my first frost. He's just flying around. So we can get some things in that we'll get a harvest from, and then some things will take us through the hello. Will take us through the get you some juice, baby. Will take us through the winter. So let's get started. The first day of September, and I am going to start with something that you wouldn't regularly plant in at this time of the year because it takes like 8 to 10 months for any kind of rooting vegetable to mature and to give you a harvest. But I'm starting with potatoes, and what I'll do is right before the first frost, I'll bring them indoors and put them in the heating tent in my garage, and hopefully they'll continue to grow. This is my ginger and turmeric that I got growing now, and in 2 months it'll definitely be ready to harvest. I'll get a mature rooting system, which I'll dry and save. And then I did the potatoes already, and I already laid some turmeric in the in a pot, which I'm going to cover. I left it uncovered until I show you guys what I did. And here we got turmeric, and here's my potatoes that have been drying, and they are going to go in a grow pot today. I'm also going to dump the other pots. I don't think they're ready, but I want to dump them and see what's going on and put them back in if they're not mature. I have been covering them because I know they're growing. I have been covering them because once they push up through the soil and the sun hits them, they're no more good. They're no more viable. They're even toxic. So make sure that once they hit the sun and you don't want to harvest at that time, that you put more soil on top. That's something I learned. I didn't know. So my spuds are ready. The turmeric is ready. And those sweet potatoes I'm going to go ahead and put in the ground as well. So my rooting vegetables I'm going to put in. And like I said, if they're not ready, I know they won't be mature by my first frost date, I'm going to bring those in. And that's why I like potting in pots. Also, I'm going to show you at the end of this video, or maybe a new video, how I dry and make my turmeric, chopped turmeric, I guess it would be, and then turmeric powder. Real simple. You just dehydrate, dry, chop, and you're ready to go. And that's it for day 1, September, zone 8 seed challenge. So I'll see you guys on the next video. I wish you love and light. Just look for that end video or new video. I'm not sure how long it's going to take because I don't know what I'm going to add on to the end of this video. So I'll see you guys in a minute.